Microwaved baked apples are a simple and delicious dessert, perfect for a quick sweet fix. Ingredients: 2 apples, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, water, lemon juice. Start by washing the apples well. Remove the core with a corer, or if not available, cut the apples in half and use a knife to remove the center and seeds. Place the apples on a microwave-safe dish. If you have cut them in half, place them with the cut side facing up. Dust the apples with the brown sugar and cinnamon. Cinnamon adds a classic Italian flavor that pairs well with the scent of apples. Add a couple of tablespoons of water to the bottom of the dish. This will help create steam during cooking. If you like, you can drizzle the apples with some lemon juice to prevent them from browning and to add a hint of acidity. Cover the apples with microwave-safe plastic wrap or another dish to retain the steam. Cook the apples in the microwave on high power for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are soft. Be careful when removing the cover or plastic wrap, as the steam will be hot. Let cool slightly before serving. You can serve them both hot and cold, maybe with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or some sweet ricotta to make the dessert even more special. In Italian folklore, the apple is often associated with health and prosperity. "An apple a day keeps the doctor away" is a saying that highlights the beneficial properties of this fruit. Remember to subscribe to the channel to stay updated and visit our website for more delicious recipes.